So, for the first big arrangement that I have found has arrangement between you and me, Mr. Radjensky, Johannes Rees, and you who should deserve to pay me amount of money following the debt and following to my contribution on intellectual property rights about everything I deserve to get, and that is claim that you are aware this will come should get toward me. So I have found a kind of arrangement. Actually, I am selling my music, whatever type of music it is. I am selling my music to the Spotify Get Listen, to Deezer Get Listen, Google Play Get Listen. Okay, but I'm selling my album really to Starzik on MP3, to Amazon, and to iTunes. So I'll suggest to you for arrangement the way you should apply to solve following the legal issue interest your benefit and my benefit about it, the money that you should have put out of the legal issue network of transaction and financial issues, you should put it back to the by getting the money collaborating for essentially the finance and economic situation. So, am I talking about a certain amount of money that I'm not really sure which amount of money, but I'm approximately sure it might be $1 billion that many people should get to give me and the all amount of money in totally. Now, consider me to suggest you by giving that amount of money on the way of paying from auto downloading my music from Deezer, Starzik, iTunes, Amazon, where I put my music on selling. You should download, paying by downloading my music. This way I will get my money back. This is a smart way that rewards to benefit you, avoiding legal issue on penalty, and me to earn back my honor about that contribution I did deserve from intellectual property, what you did ask got from me. So, that will say, it seems to be incense, to be nonsense, to buy many times the same music for Let's Get Listen, yes. But I will say to you, the matter with you and me is not considering the way and the fact that music buying many times should be nonsense. The matter with you and me should get to be advised to the matter that you should get me a high range amount of money. For example, if you should pay me 5,000 euro, or if you should pay me 100 million euro, or 1 million euro, or 1 billion euro, or 4-5 billion euro, that amount of money should get considered. You divided that by the amount of money by paying my music that 100 times, that many times has got so much that I got the such amount of money back from my paying and back for paying my music. And I should get that money, and this will this way be put back to the legal issue of financial transaction and avoiding penal issues and money laundering. You should give back that money to the legal cycle of money transaction so that I got paid about it, right? After that matter, I will get the money unless I don't have deserving billions of dollars for helping me getting rich. Enough money to pay an apartment for myself, to pay an apartment for my brothers and sisters, each one of them. They got 5. We are 5. So we should get paid. I should get paid about this. And paying enough for myself, revenue or capital reserve for getting issue on my essential daily life living, and so that I withdraw myself to the legal issue of health insurance security matter of revenue, and avoiding get paid about that money, I should get deserving living about my capital revenue that you should get to pay me. I will not considering any pursuit on legal issue. Just find this arrangement. If you pay me, you don't need to contact me. You don't need to have any matter by pointing out who you are really, who you are beyond me. Your interest is that you have found this way a matter to let me get that money on my own hand on the legal matter issues way. So, you should pay me that money, right? Find this way. Pay my money by buying my music. The many times you got to pay me my money divided by the number of music I got, and pay me that amount of money a number of 100,000 times. Whether it is 100,000 times, you have to pay downloading the same music. This is not your duty matter. My matter is that I should get to receive back my money, right? So, if you should pay me 500 euro, pay me my money that 100 times, to that many times, so that the 100 euro should get enough, sufficient for solving the paying back of album and the matter of the debt recoveries, right? So you should pay me that money, right? I'm not going to let you obsessive or feel upset. What about I'm telling to you? I want you to be honest. I want you to be regarding to the law. I want you to be serious about the matter, how much you might risk penalty issue, you might risk prison, you might risk a very, very judicial fine on the amount of money to let you collapse, whether you got enterprise or not. If you got enterprise, you might get collapsing and bankruptcy to your enterprise. So, this is a legal issue. I invite you to pay me that money this way. And I decide to put that recording to the YouTube recording, video, voice, so that you can find a matter for solving that problem with me without that I get enough necessity or needing to identify you or to let you declare or identifying to the public, right? So you pay me that money, you pay me that money.